Shifting the Culture, Part 3. Team Civility. Unity, nurtured by intentional civility, characterizes the most effective, productive teams. In fact, creating a corporate culture of civility starts with you. Your choice to actively exhibit civility towards each individual on your team and others around you directly influences the greater culture of your organization. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Take the initiative to know your team members. Purposefully engage. Seek to know the individuals. Limiting your attention to business and an agenda opposes civility. It may allow you to reach your objective, but at the risk of losing good talent in the long run. Knowing people and what matters to them is critical for effective teamwork. Valued team members value the team and its efforts. This, in turn, fosters unity and creates space for mutual civility. Maintain an open-door policy for communication with team members. Foster an environment in which you are approachable. Allocate time for your people. Welcome their questions and concerns. Taking time to listen encourages similar respect among all members of your team. Avoid the need to always be right. Leaders may mistakenly assume, even if unconsciously, that strength of character lies in being right and/or having the final word. However, a willingness to learn and a non-defensive reaction when confronted ultimately shows greater character. Cultivate accountability. Create a team that acknowledges and responds to the value of each person. Invite trusted individuals to hold you accountable and encourage everyone to do the same. By example, maintain a willingness to be held to a higher standard. Action items. Consider these questions. Who can you ask to hold you accountable in the way you demonstrate and cultivate civility on your team? List specific ways you can validate civility among your team members individually. We hope you have found this quick course helpful. For additional quick courses and information concerning civility and more, visit our My Source catalog or Synergistx.com.